Spice list: all-purpose flour, chicken masala, salt, ground chili powder, habanero pepper, black pepper, ginger, garlic and onion, thyme, paprika, rosemary powder, orange or lime juice. Marinate your meat with acidic food flavors. They are natural meat tenderizers and they give you a pack of new flavor. Eat healthy, stay natural. Make sure you have a good ziploc. Marinate that meat. Or is it chicken? Chicken. At temperatures below 4, marinate from 12 to 48 hours. Take your multi-purpose flour, put in some salt, ground chili and black pepper. Rub your chicken with this magic flour. Dip it in cold water and let the water flow. After the water has flowed out, repeat the flour dusting. It's frying time. Let the chicken sizzle. Ladies and gentlemen, fried chicken. For intents and purposes, like, share, and subscribe.